Hello everyone, you are watching Jaladhi Soft Technology YouTube channel. Today we can discuss the harmonic series. This is a mathematic formula. Everybody know. What is first we need to understand the what is mean of harmonic series. In mathematics way, the harmonic series is the infinity series formed by summing all positive unit factors. That means 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3. We can sum all positive integer variables. That is called a harmonic series. This is infinite teams is the infinity. Infinity is the 1 by n. That means how many positive values is there? We can use and we can implement the summing of all positive unit fractions. Hmm. This is a harmonic series. Now we can jump to the Java code. We can implement harmonic series program in Java. That means mathematical calculations in Java. First, you can open the Eclipse. Open the Eclipse. Now, first you can create the class. Look, spelling is mistake. You can adjust. You can create main method. Now I will initiate I is equal to int n is equal to 5 double equal to double result equal to 0 comma 0. This is for double. Now I will write the while loop n greater than 0. Now res result is equal to res plus double 1 by n. Now n minus minus. We need to decrease the n value. Now we can display the output of this one. Harmonic series CRI series. Yes, here I need to give equal to. See, this is the harmonic series program. Now we can run, we can display what is the output of harmonic series. See, 2.28. This is not a correct value. This is a approximate value. Suppose 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 4 or like that. We can use this is a approximate value. This is not exact value. We can give some more values. We can display some more 6. We can display 6. What is the output of this one? You can check. 2.45. 2.45. This is the harmonic value display. N is equal to 6. Our result are 0.0. First declare the n6 values and need to declare the result of value. And now I will check n value is greater than 0 or below 0, less than 0. You need to check that one. Then you can write the result is equal to result plus double of n by 1. See, this is double of n by 1. First I will declare 6 1 by 6. Now I will decreasing 1 by 5. Then it will decrease 1 by 4, 3, 2, 1. Like that. Value is decreasing 1 by 1. That is the output of harmonic series. Hmm. Suppose we can debug this one, what will be displayed that one? We can check the debug also. We need to understand very easily. You can double click this one. Debug mode is not working, but my system is slow. Right click, debug as Java. Now this is converting to debug format. We'll clear the below. Console, erase console, erase console. I don't know why this is not display. Okay, okay, no problem. We can check this one. See, you can click this one, resume. Control F11 also working. You can check a shortcut for that one. Here, click this one. N is declare 6. Next, RS is equal 0.0 declare. While condition. Now, while condition is executed, that means successfully enter while condition. Now, result R is equal to 0.1666. This is displaying. Again, you can go here. Again, coming to second loop. Again, it will increase the value. So now decrease the value. See, n value is decreasing. Again go, n value is decreasing. Again go, n value will decreasing. See, like this. This I will return back to Java console. So like this, where harmonic series will display. This way, we can implement the harmonic series. This is the today's topic, guys. Uh, Next video, we can discuss new topic. Thank you for watching Jaladhi Soft Technology YouTube channel. I am requesting all videos. Commonly, I am requesting this video also. I am requesting. Could you please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon also. Like and share my YouTube videos to your friends or colleagues, relations, total in worldwide. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your support. We will meet next video. I am signing off.